How's it going, guys? Passive here, back with another video. And basically this is just a quick little update for Project Passive. Everything has been moved over to our website, so all download links, all that sort of stuff, it's all on the website. So if you head over to PassiveModding.github.io, it'll take you to the site. And from here, you've got the support stuff, so that'll take you to the Passive Modding support page where you can get support, see other info, post a question, that sort of stuff through there. Next, we've got the download stuff, which basically just gives you a full overview of the tool, a download link, and then the link for support. We've also got some free tools, which is basically the Black Ops 2 profile saver and the Project Passive SBRX menu. So those are both free to use if you just download them using the links. So they're both in there. But for Project Passive, we've got the download link and you also need a login. So we've got the store on here as well. But we'll go through all of the tools just real quick so you guys can see what there is to offer. So once you've logged in, you've actually got the full selector, which basically allows you to see a change log, your user information, and also all of the different tools that are available. So as you can see, we've got about 10 and more coming tools. So for this, we've got the Black Ops 2 RTM tool. This is the main tool that was in the original Passive Modding RTM, but we have had some additions, mainly being the string editor and image injector, but there have been other bug fixes with the tool itself. On top of that, we've also got the Black Ops 2 grabber, which is basically a fully fledged IP grabber. So it'll get user IPs, their XUID, so you can spoof your account to theirs, their client ID in-game, their clan tag, name, port, country, region, location, prestige, and level. And if you right-click on their name, you can see that it brings up their location on an actual map for you to see. Yeah, so that's the main gist of it. But in this tool, we've also got the full player map, which shows all players on a map. Level spoofer, so you can actually spoof your level to levels greater than 55. So this goes all the way up to 255, so you can change your level to that if you like. You can also spoof your IP as non-host, so this means the host can't steal your IP and other players can't steal your IP. Next, we've got the XUID spoofer, so just put a player's name in there, for example, FaZe Rain or something, and then that'll spoof your account to theirs. Then we've got just the simple set name. And then after that, we've got the 32 character name, which is basically a different method of using the BX777, is it B77X? Anyways, it's basically for your unbound name, you're allowed to have 32 characters in the name rather than just 16. So that's another new thing. We've also got class 1 camos, so you can set your class 1 camos in there. Then we've got the showcase ones, which basically changes the 3 banners that are on your profile when people view them to just the 1. Next, we've got lobby mods, which is basically slow time, gravity, jump, print text to everyone, change everyone's weapons in lobby, and restart the game. There will be more being added to this tool over time, but for the moment, it's basically an extension on the Black Ops 2 RTM. So yeah, next, if we go back, you can see we've got the COD 4 tool. It's basically just a simple COD 4 recovery tool and name changer. There's not too much to this one. I will be adding more, maybe some different patch injectors or something. But for now, that's what that one is. We've got the Black Ops 1 RTM, which is kind of similar to the COD 4 one, where it has all the recovery stuff and name changer. But you've also got your God mode classes, unlock all, and then some non-host mods and the clan tag changer as well. And if we go over to the MW2 RTM, we've got full account mods, class name changer, unlock all, level 70, all that sort of stuff. And we've got unlock all for each client. We've got red boxes, all the non-host mods, anti-end game. We've got aimbot in here, force host, all those sorts of things, non-host end game. And then we've also got the name changer, which is basically just a simple name changer. We've also got the prestige loop and level loop. And then you've got client settings where you can change stuff for each client individually. And that's basically the Modern Warfare 2 tool. Next, we've got the Modern Warfare 3 tool, which is basically all stats, gold mode classes where you can set the primary weapon, choose which class it is, set your prestige, do unlock all. And I've got some non-host settings I'll be adding to this in one of the future updates as well. I've got name changer, clan tag name changer, and in-game changer. And then you've also got the client settings, which is basically God mode, ammo, no clip, UAV, and red boxes. I may add to that as well in the future. Next, we've got some of the other tools, which is the console ID tool. I'll open that in a new tab. But basically, it will check if a console ID is public first, and then it will run a script that will allow you to set the console IDs semi-automatically. So it'll go through each one, check if it's banned, and then if it's banned, you click the banned button. If it's not banned, unbanned. And then if it's some other error, just hit other, and that'll basically save them to a file. Now we've also got the generate your own console ID, which basically just randomly generates a console ID for you. Next, we've got the offset tool, which basically just acts as a simple debugger for your PlayStation 3, where you can enter an offset, see what is output, set and offset, and a bunch of different other things as well. And then it gives you a full history and allows you to dump that to a file as well. Okay, so next we've got the Instagram, oops, wrong one. The Instagram changer, checker, I mean. And basically what that does is allows you to load a full list of Instagram names and check whether they're available for taking or not. This can be good for if you want to get like different accounts on Instagram and get some OG name type things. So yeah, and lastly, we've got the chat spammer, which basically just automatically messages a chat over and over and over with the message you've given in the box. And yeah, that's basically it. We've got the pricing there, and then just some updates and stuff down the bottom. And other than that, that's pretty much everything there. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link in the description, and thanks for watching. Peace out.